Hello friends, welcome back to another episode of our channel. I'm getting a lot of DMs from many people asking me to test the mileage of the motorcycle. Today I'm planning to test the mileage of it. So the trip is around 15.3 now. I use an app called Fuel Log to test the fuel kilometer range every time. So whenever I refuel, I fill it up in the app and then test every time what is mileage it is giving. So let's test now to 500. Car ತಗೊಂತೀರಲ್ಲ. So now let's make out what is the exact mileage I'm getting with the motorcycle. So let's stop somewhere here. So as said earlier, I use this app called Fuel Log. It gives almost accurate information. Here it is. So they have both for the bike and the car. I'll go with the bike one. So whenever I refuel, I enter the data here. So if you check, it is 18,684, 18,583, 343, 294. It is going up. For entering the log, press on this fuel icon. The date is automatically taken. Let's take the current odometer reading, which is 18895, 18895, and fuel volume is 5.8 liters. Costly, and rate is 85.89. So this is all the detail you fill, and we didn't do full tank, so we are chance checking it. That's it. We put on save. So this is what the mileage I'm getting, and this is what the per 100 kilometers driving cost, what is happening for the motorcycle. You can make out. This is the last 5 logs. Earlier I used to keep everything, but I deleted to make a record the recent one. So this is what the mileage I'm getting. Hope the mileage calculation video was useful. I'll add the link of the app in the description below. You can have a check, and it will not show you immediately after 2 fuel ups. So you have to fill petrol at least 3-4 times for the exact numbers.